beautiful bright makeup for you. Eye makeup, my bright shining neon orange dress. That's why my liner is neon orange. So yeah, I went with the dress, and I already wanted to try out something with a colored liner, so I did this look, and it turned out so good. It turned out so good. Sorry, I'm looking over here. It turned out so good, this look. I love the eyes. Like, girl, what's poppin'? What's poppin', girl? So this is the makeup look. If you like seeing more and more makeup looks on my channel, and if you like the talking, the real talking more than the voiceover, then just let me know in the comments, so I won't do all those voiceover anymore. I will do this kind of videos, talking with you and everything. So let me know down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down there, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I appreciate. And yeah, guys, let's start with this makeup look. So hello and welcome back. First thing first, my eyebrows no bueno, they don't look good, so let's do some magic. Voila, they are done, like, period. So I'm gonna take this tape and yeah, tape my eyes. Really easy. First things first, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C0 White as my base. Now I'm blending it in with this brush. It's just a normal brush, nothing special. Just blend in this white color. So guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I wanted to use this eyeliner. So that's why, and I'm gonna wear a dress in this color, so I wanted to do like orange color, orange eye or something with orange. I don't know yet what I'm gonna do, but we will do something. This is the first color I'm using, and it's from this palette, the Saharian Blush Palette Volume 1. And the first color I'm using is this orange color here, as you can see, Toby. And this will be my transitioning color. I'm using a fluffy brush, this fluffy brush, to blend in the color above my crease. So now I'm gonna use this one. It's also a blush color. It's from the blush palette, but guys, you can always use some blushes for your eyes. Abby. I'm gonna put Abby just a little bit on the outer corner like this. Then we'll blend it in a little bit like this. So now I'm gonna go back into the orange one and blend it a little bit, so I don't have this like harsh lines or harsh cut. Just a little bit like this. So guys, I forgot to say something, but I did cut my crease, as you have seen, and I used the concealer that I used for my base. I didn't say something because I'm not used to talking and doing the makeup. I always do a voiceover, but I'm trying to do it like this. So that's what I use to cut my crease. As you can see, I did cut my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, and I will be using this glitter color. It's the orange, gold, reddish color, and that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm just packing on the color onto my lid, so I don't rub it or something. I just tap it, like tap, 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 as you can see. Because this one is a pressed loose glitter. So now I will be using this eyeliner. I got it from Aliexpress, this one, and that's the one I'm gonna use. So now I'm gonna let the eyeliner dry. Meanwhile, I will be doing my face. First thing I'm gonna use is this Glow Tonic, Glow Tonic from Pixi Beauty. This is going to give me a really nice glow. Now I will be using my Glow Tonic Serum. A little goes a long way. Now I'm using my mascara, lashes, and because I got some of the liner on my lashes, so that's why I'm using it. Like this. So guys, now I'm gonna put on my lashes. I'm gonna use these lashes here. Oh no, like this. Oh, they packed them wrong, I don't know. These ones, I got them from Icy Hair. I ordered some hair from there and then I got these lashes. And I thought they will be really nice for this look. So, try them on a little bit. Like, let me put them on my eyes and see if they are too... I don't like it when the lashes get too much, you know. So that's why I'm gonna try. No, it's okay. It's okay, they're okay, I can use them. So I'm gonna put on my lashes and then do the primer and everything else like. So now the glue is getting stickier. Meanwhile, I will do my primer. Put on my primer, and the primer that I'm using is this primer from L.O.V, the Aura Glow primer. And I'm using... So guys, I did put on my lashes. Now I'm gonna put on some foundation. And the foundation I'm using is this foundation from Topshop. The Longwear Liquid Foundation in the color Amber. Amber? Yeah, I would say Amber. And I like it. It's a really, really nice foundation. It has enough coverage. I think it just says Longwear Liquid Foundation. Yeah, I'm working it in with a brush, and I know on camera it looks like it's not my color, but it will turn. So now I'm using the Tarte Cosmetic Concealer Tape Shape, you know, the Tape Shape Concealer in the color Deep Honey. And I'm working it in with the brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetic number 117. To contour my face, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C18. And I'm also gonna blend it in with this brush. This is from AOA Studio F19. For my nose, I'm always use this smaller brush, obviously, to blend the contour. And this one is from BH Cosmetics in the number 119. Like this. So now I'm gonna set the highlighter, and to set the highlighter I'm gonna use this one today from Huda Beauty in the color Cinnamon Bun. This powder is so light and it's so nice and it smells so good. Like, guys, ooh, I love this powder. Like, I really love this powder. And I'm using just a normal sponge. So as usual, I use this blush. This blush is from MAC in the color Film Noir, and with this one I'm gonna set the dark contour, and I'm always using this, sometimes also by itself. And for that I'm gonna use this brush. It's just a brush from Aliexpress, but you can see how it looks. It's just a small brush. Now I'm gonna go back into the powder and I'm gonna set under the contour, so I get a really sharp line and my face looks like this. You will see like this. Do you see this really nice cut like this? And I don't really let this one sit like the rest of the powder. So now I'm gonna wipe away the excess powder. With my foundation brush I used before for my foundation, and doing this step helps me to like mix the whole face together. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but I'm gonna mix everything, and I won't have any harsh lines between the highlighter, the contour and everything, you know. So that's why I'm always go back into the foundation brush like this. You see that? That's my tip for you. See that? I still have some contour, but it's like mixed with everything, with the highlight, it's all mixed nicely like this. So I'll be using my mascara, my favorite one from WeCosmetic, for my bottom lashes. So guys, I already put on some highlighter. I just recognized that my camera was not recording, but I used this highlighter from Couture X Jackie Aina in the color LaPeach. That's the highlighter I use. My camera was not recording, like, but you know, I always put the highlight on the same spots, like here, 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 my nose, a little bit on my chin, just the normal spots I always put my highlighter. And I don't know if the camera is also filming for the blush, I don't know, but the blush I used was this one, the Saharian Blush Volume 1. And here I mixed those two colors. I don't know if my camera was recording, but I think it wasn't, so I'm so sorry for that. Sorry for that. So now I'm gonna put on some lipstick or something on my lips. And I know this combo is like boring, but it's my favorite one. This NYX lip liner in the color Club Hopper, and some lip gloss, but I'm using this one, the Lip Injection from Too Faced. So those two, my favorite one, Holy Grail. I love them. And this one burns your lips like nothing, but it also plumps your lips. So let's do that. Oh yes, girl, like woo. Okay guys, so last thing is my setting spray. This one is from Slay All Day setting spray, Jared Cosmetics, in the scent mango. I love mango, so that's why I bought this. I love mangoes. Ooh. Ooh. So see you when I'm done with everything. That's it guys. So guys, I'm finished my look. You already seen some pictures, you already seen the intro and everything, and it turned out so good. It turned out so good, so nice. I'm in love, and it's also matching with my dress. It's matching with my dress, neon orange. Yeah, thank you for tuning in, thank you for watching guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere down there, and yeah, see you in my next one. Peace.